15 billion of the 16 billion amount of those jelly beans.
Well, if it's the black licorice, yeah.
Yeah, mostly black licorice. Hey, check out Cripple Creek this morning. It's a quiet morning there, and I thought I would share something kind of fun with you here that I noticed on the time-lapse photography from Fort Myers Beach last night. Look at that. When you're hanging out on the beach, that's the kind of view you get when the moon sinks into the ocean. So a great view there. In the last few frames, you'll start to see it brightening up this morning as the sun is rising on the East Coast. For us, it'll be more of a gray start, I think, when the sun comes up in about an hour as some low clouds are hanging tough. Hard to see on the imagery because this is infrared, which is based on the temperature of the air. Of course, you can't take visible imagery at night because it's dark, so you have to go to infrared. But the infrared, when the clouds are close to the ground, are similar temperature to the ground, and it can't distinguish from space the difference, so it appears to be relatively clear when there's a little bit of a low cloud deck. But I happen to know it'll break up because high pressure over southern parts of Utah and northern parts of Arizona is going to bring a downslope flow this morning and afternoon, increasing the winds to 10, 15 to 20 and higher gusts. It's already 12 in the Springs and has been about 10 or 12 or 14 for the last couple of hours, and 7 in La Junta. So it'll be a breezy late morning and afternoon, and that's going to be a west downsloping wind. That's going to rapidly warm these numbers up from upper 20s and low 30s to forecast highs, some 10 to 15 degrees warmer than yesterday afternoon, into the mid-50s in Monument and comfortably warm in the low 60s in the Springs, upper 60s for Pueblo and for the Front Range. Meanwhile, that westerly wind is going to turn the cold air overhead early this morning into some warm air by afternoon. 62 today, dry. Clouds coming in tomorrow afternoon for the Springs may lead to a few sprinkles tomorrow evening, but not measurable. 60. 62 on Easter Sunday, 75 crazy on Monday, but then a wind shift upslope turns it way colder, cloudier for Tuesday with a chance for a little bit of light rain. 60s for Pueblo over the weekend. 81 on Monday, my forecast high now, but radically cooler on Tuesday. I doubt you'll see sprinkles Saturday evening, but that would be a worst case scenario. And on Tuesday, maybe a little bit of light rain, spotty in nature. Same for Canyon City, 60s over the weekend, 70s on Monday, and no real good chance for measurable precip. And for Woodland Park, 50s over the weekend. Good Friday looks fine, so does Easter Sunday. Better chance there, although not great, for Monday night into Tuesday for some light rain and or snow. A check of your traffic.